Good day, M4909. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Jessica Roga. I am married. I have two children, 9 years old girl and 2 years old boy.
Okay.
I am 33 years old. I am a Roman Catholic and I am a college graduate of BS Biology.
Okay. I saw that you have experience in Kuwait. As a helper, what are your main duties?
Our main duties is I'm taking baby, I'm taking children, I'm cleaning, I am washing and ironing clothes, and sometimes I'm cooking.
Okay, it also mentioned here that you do tutor.
Yes, madam.
Okay, based on your information sheet, you don't have experience in taking care of a newborn baby. But, is it okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, madam.
Okay, can you tell me how do you prepare the milk of a newborn baby?
First, I wash my hand, and then a bottle. Then I sterilize the bottle. I put milk and water for mix and shake it and
Check the
check
temperature.
the temperature and give her the
Give it to the baby. Okay. How about if the baby is crying? What would you do?
the baby is crying is I check the diaper is full, and then I check if baby is hungry. I give him milk, and then I check temperature, and then if still crying, I call the parents.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because they are they are
The
they are
is it the safest country or the
safe country, and
also
salary is
high? Okay. How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I work in Hong Kong as one unit.
Okay, as long as the employer wants you to stay, is it right?
If the employer stay, I want to stay.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, madam, but I'm still
Are you willing to learn?
willing to learn.
Okay, how will
watch
you learn?
YouTube and reading books of Chinese food.
Okay. Is it okay to you to share room with kids?
Yes, madam.
Is it okay to you to take care of elderly?
Yes, madam.
Is it okay to you to cut your hair short?
Yes, madam.
If one of the member of your employer don't know how to speak English, is it okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes, madam.
Are you willing to accept the holiday set up by your employer and willing to work on Sunday?
Yes, madam.
Are you prepared to eat the food that your employer provides?
Yes, madam.
Okay, message to your future employer.
To my future employee,
Employer?
to my future employee, you hired me because I am hardworking. You trust me everything, and
They can trust you, and also
yes, madam, you can trust me also. And then I do my best the work.
you will do your best to do your
You give my work.
job. Okay, okay. Thank you so much, M4909, Miss Jessica Ruga.
Thank you, madam.